Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Shaaban. Today with a new video welcomes you from the GST Language Academy platform. आज हम लोग बात करेंगे read aloud. This is the first task of PT speaking session. What is read aloud? Dear viewers, आपको read aloud जो हैं वो पेपर्स में आते हैं 6 to 7. Each read aloud contains 15 marks. Okay, and what are the three main points of the read aloud? This is F P C. You know, F means to say fluency, P means to say pronunciation, and then C is the content. Each point of this that I'm going to share with you as fluency, it contains of 5 marks, and then pronunciation is also contained 5 marks, then content as well with the 5 marks. Okay, dear student, what is the right way to perform read aloud in a great way? First of all, you have to set your mic in that very position, okay, and then check your mic, headphone you have to take in the right position, then you have to hold your mic and keep in that very position in just front of your lips in order to make your voice so clear so that it can make clearly sense to the audience as well. First of all, I would like to speak some passages in front of you as how you have to go with, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 मेजर पॉइंट्स हैं. सबसे पहले हमें फ्लुएंसी देखनी पड़ती है. फ्लुएंसी, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ डूइंग रीड अलाउड. इसमें बेटे हमारे पास 5 मार्क्स की फ्लुएंसी है, और फ्लुएंसी को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमने किस तरह से, कौन सी मेयर्स हैं, कौन सी ऐसे मेथड्स हैं, कौन से ऐसे ट्रिक्स हैं जो हमें अप्लाई करने हैं. फ्लुएंसी डजंट मीन टू बी सो रश. It doesn't mean to be too slow. It means in a mediocre way you have to perform, right? Not too slow, not too fast. Just you have to gain the mediocre point to solve this issue. And then we have to move towards the pronunciation. Pronunciation means आपने अपने words की formation और उसका जो accent है वो सही use करना है. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपके जो वर्ड्स हैं उनको बोलने की एग्जैक्ट जो एक्सेंट हैं वो क्या है. जिस तरह मैं आप लोगों के सामने कुछ एग्जांपल्स शेयर करना चाहूँगा. वर्ड है जिजेंटिक. बहुत सारे लोग ये बोलते हैं जिजेंटिक. असल में अगर बेटे इस वर्ड्स को प्रोनाउंस किया जाए, दिस इज़ जाइजेंटिक. द राइट वर्ड इज़ जाइजेंटिक. देन आई विल गिव यू अनदर एग्जाम्पल. हॉरिजन्स. एवरीवन स्पीक्स हॉरिजन. It's not horizon, it is horizons. Horizons. Then it's a very common word. Student, no, it's wrong pronunciation. We have to speak student. Student, right? Then we use walk. No, walk. Then we use talk. No, dear, it's the not right pronunciation. We have to pronounce it like this: walk, jock, talk, lock. These are the right pronunciation we have to use while performing the pronunciation as well. Okay, then we have to go for the content. Content means we have to speak all the material, text, script that is given in the passage as well. First of all, I would like to perform some passage in front of you. You have to check my fluency along with the pronunciation as content as well. Here I have a passage that is I'm going to start here as how you have to start. First of all, you have to set your position of your mic, then you have to move like this. Okay, I would say first of all, जब आपको read aloud का passage बेटे दिया जाता है, आपके पास 35 सेकंड्स होते हैं उनको रिव्यू करने के लिए. और ईच पैसेज के 35 सेकंड्स में जब आप रिव्यू करते हैं अपने जो पैसेज है उसके जो वर्ड्स हैं उसको अच्छी तरह से प्रोनाउंस करने के लिए, और उसका आप रेकन करते हैं, उसका आइडिया लेते हैं. देन यू गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्पीकिंग टू दिस पैसेज. For example, I'm going to start in front of you, like, and then it is beeped, you have to start like, the bill calls for the establishment of the National Landslide Hazards Reduction Program within 1 year of becoming law. The program serves numerous functions, including to identify and understand landslide hazards and risks, reduce losses from landslides, protect communities at risk of the landslides hazards, and improve communication and emergency preparedness. This is your right way of speaking. Then you have to submit your score, and when you submit your score, you go for the results. And even here I have the results in a within a seconds. You will have your results, and you will shock about this. So whether your results, you will look at the three major points that were mentioned already, where you are going to be lack. Here I have 90 out of 90, So in the next video, I will also show that tips and tricks as how you have to take, how to get the 90 over the 90 score. And in the next passage, I am going to the next explanation, as I have 35 seconds to review over this. As agriculture problems due to climate change of normal weather, water depletion, and the collapse of the soil have become big problems in all parts of the world, many are now focusing on ethics and family farming as a way to combat these issues. Okay, let's move on to solve this. Agriculture problems due to climate change of normal weather, water depletion, and the collapse of the soil have become big problems in all parts of the world. Many are now focusing on ethics and family farming as a way to combat these issues. Okay, next we have to submit our score, then move on to the words next. Then the next one is always review your passage before going to solve it, because we have the 35 seconds, remember, and then move on to words solving. An innovative new product or service can give a firm a head start over its rivals, which can be difficult for a new entrant to overcome. If the new technology is also patented, then other firms cannot simply copy its design. It is legally protected. Then move on to the next one. We have the results. It will be definitely a very good result, 90 over 90, because we are going into the right direction with fluency and pronunciation and even for the content. The next one is, I would like to speak in front of you, that is I would like to review of that within the 35 seconds, then I will go for solving as well. The network of the roots that plants use to absorb water and nutrition can encompass a space larger than the part of the plant visible above ground. The nature of these root systems can help plants adapt to challenging environments such as the deserts. Okay, for instance, mosquito trees can develop tape roots. This was the review. Then I am going to speak right now. The networks of the roots that plants use to absorb water and nutrition can encompass a space larger than the part of the plant visible above the ground. The nature of these root systems can help plants adapt to challenging environments such as deserts. For instance, mosquito trees can develop tap roots capable of digging more than 50 yards deep to reach water. Okay, and then we have to submit our score, and you will have the best results of your year score, right? Dear student, the main purpose to give you these details is just to mean as how you can get much more score out of 90. Okay, because these are the tips that are very informative relating to this session of read aloud. I would like to you people do practice all of the practices explained by me. That's a very informative. Okay, so there are the main things that we have to perform in the read aloud sections. We have to use right pronunciation, as I have given some examples, fluency, and then content. I hope so you have got a lot of things out of this video. Thank you very much, and hope so, and wait for the next video with an informative one, inshallah. Thank you from the platform of the GST Language Academy. Keep watching and keep subscribing and even sharing around the world. And do not forget, press the bells icon. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.